Hello everybody, how are you? This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach and author, and I am just enjoying this beautiful and amazing trek into the forest through this absolutely amazing and incredible wildlife, entering deep into a place where there's a beautiful waterfalls and just nearing them. Before that, I just wanted to show you how the beauty looks like. Absolutely fabulous. Look at the front. This is the view which I'm seeing right now in front of me. Look at those trees when I'm zooming in. It's got like a great, powerful presence. Absolutely wonderful. Vibrant. Powerful, tall trees, so vibrant, and right you can see those beautiful waterfalls. Can you see them, folks? Can you see those beautiful, fabulous waterfalls? Yeah, how beautiful they are. This is where the whole beauty lies. To just be in these places, explore the vibe, and connect in grace, because it's such a great presence, an incredible presence which cannot be just described in words. It's not possible. And mostly I will be sleeping here tonight. What a fantastic space. Beautiful. Can't be just getting better than this. The awesomeness of the place. You feel a vibe. You feel a deep connection. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Vibrant. Mesmerizing. And I'm going to be sitting here just gazing this view for hours together. I'll keep you connected in another video of mine, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. Good day.